Hi, I'm Wendy from GeoDNet.
Hey, I'm Andrew from GeoDNet.
When we tested GEO-MEASURE against a Plott Carta Measuring Wheel in real outdoor conditions, the results showed a clear difference in accuracy, consistency, and reliability. Across 4 separate test cases, GEO-MEASURE maintained stable, repeatable performance, while the Plott Carta wheel introduced drift that increased with terrain and operator handling. Let's start with the numbers. First, with the straight line measurement on various surfaces. We first tested the GEO-MEASURE along a designated stretch of flat tarmac. The GEO-MEASURE measured 593.635 feet. Then, we began to record the same stretch of tarmac along the tree lawn, simulating rough terrain performance. The GEO-MEASURE measured 593.721 feet. It is within 1 inch of error, which is likely to be on the user recording the start and finish point. The error factor between the 2 recordings was 0.01%. Then, with the Plott Carta wheel on flat tarmac, it measured 593.523 feet. This number agrees with our measurement with GEO-MEASURE within 0.01% too. However, on rough terrain, the wheel was unable to accurately measure the ground, causing the measurement to be only 574.740 feet, an 18.8 feet difference or a 3.3% drift over the same distance. To make the test fair, GEO-MEASURE was mounted directly onto the Plott Carta wheel pole, so both devices traveled the exact same path at the exact same time. This means any difference in measurement came from the tools themselves, not from walking different lines or using different routes. We also tested geometric accuracy by walking a closed circle and returning to the starting point. With proper wheel usage, the Plott Carta wheel still showed a minor gap at closure. GEO-MEASURE achieved perfect closure with no visible gap. Then we repeated the circle test with the wheel deliberately tilted to simulate a common real-world handling error. This time, the Plott Carta wheel failed to close the circle and the shape became visibly distorted. GEO-MEASURE again maintained perfect closure. This result highlights another major advantage. GEO-MEASURE is not dependent on perfect operator technique the way that a wheel-based tool is. The reason these results matter is simple. The Plott Carta wheel is a mechanical device, so its accuracy changes with surface conditions, operator handling, and cumulative distance. GEO-MEASURE does not have that problem. In the report, it stayed nearly identical on tarmac and grass, provided great path closure regardless of careful or careless operator handling. As long as a RTK fix is acquired, there is virtually no way to make it collect inaccurate data. The report conclusion is clear. Across both test cases, GEO-MEASURE demonstrated clear superiority in measuring accuracy, consistency, and reliability. In this comparison, GEO-MEASURE delivered the kind of outdoor measurement performance that mechanical wheel-based tools cannot match. Stable results on rough grass, perfect closure in geometry tests, and reliable performance even when handling conditions changed. For accurate, repeatable, geospatially referenced outdoor measurements, GEO-MEASURE presents a significant upgrade to traditional mechanical measurement tools.
Don't forget to like
And subscribe.
GeoDNet. Mind the sky.